Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Clips, the place where learning English is easy, fun, and full of real conversations.
Hi, Emily. Hi, everyone watching. I hope you're all feeling great today, because that's exactly what we're talking about. Feelings.
Yes, feelings are such an important part of daily conversations. We all experience different emotions every single day. We feel happy, sad, excited, tired, angry, nervous, and so many others.
That's right. And being able to talk about your feelings in English helps you express yourself better. It also makes your conversations more natural, emotional, and real.
Exactly. When you can describe how you feel, you connect with people more easily. You sound more confident and genuine when you speak.
So today, we'll show you how to describe your feelings in natural English, how to say how you feel, how to ask others about their feelings, and how to respond politely.
Sounds great. So, Michael, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling energetic and excited. We're recording another episode, and I always enjoy chatting with you and our viewers. What about you?
I'm feeling pretty good today. I slept well, had a delicious breakfast, and the weather is beautiful. I think that always helps me start my day in a positive mood.
That's wonderful. See, this is how you can start a friendly conversation just by asking, "How are you feeling today?" or "How do you feel?"
Exactly. And instead of always saying, I'm fine or I'm good, try to use more emotional words like I'm happy, I'm tired, I'm nervous, or I'm relaxed.
Yes, the more specific you are, the more interesting and meaningful your conversation becomes. For example, I'm a bit stressed because I have an exam, or I'm really happy because it's my birthday.
That's a great example. You can also share the reason behind your feeling. That makes your sentence more complete and natural.
Exactly. Now let's go over some of the most common feelings people talk about every day. Happy, sad, angry, tired, excited, nervous, bored, relaxed, and surprised.
Great list! Let's give some examples so our viewers can hear how to use them naturally.
Sure, I'm happy because I passed my test.
I'm sad because my best friend moved away.
I'm angry because someone took my seat.
I'm tired because I didn't sleep enough last night.
I'm excited because I'm going on vacation tomorrow.
I'm nervous because I have a job interview.
I'm bored because there's nothing to do.
I'm relaxed because I'm listening to music.
And finally, I'm surprised because my friends planned a party for me.
Perfect! Those are all great everyday examples that our viewers can use in real life.
Exactly. And remember, you can also ask other people how they feel. For example, "Are you okay?" Or "How are you feeling today?" Or "You look tired. Are you all right?"
Yes, and when someone asks you that, you can respond honestly and politely. I'm a little tired, I'm feeling great today, or I'm not feeling so good.
That's true. In English, people appreciate when you share your feelings honestly, but it's also important to stay polite and kind.
Right. You can also make your feelings stronger or softer using words like very, really, so, or a little.
For example, "I'm really happy," "I'm very tired," or "I'm a little worried."
That's true. And if you want to sound natural, try mixing different expressions. Instead of just saying, I'm sad, you can say, I'm a bit down today, or I'm not in a good mood.
Oh, yes. In a good mood and in a bad mood are great expressions to know. For example, I'm in a good mood because it's Friday, or I'm in a bad mood because I lost my keys.
That's right. And sometimes people don't want to sound too direct, so they use softer words. For example, I'm feeling a bit stressed, or I'm kind of tired.
Kind of or a bit are perfect for making your feelings sound gentle and friendly. It's the way native speakers talk in daily life.
Now, let's practice a short example conversation about feelings.
Great idea.
Hey, Michael, how are you feeling today?
I'm a little tired but happy. I stayed up late watching a movie last night.
Oh, really? What movie did you watch?
I watched an old comedy. It made me laugh so much. What about you? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling excited. I'm meeting my friends for dinner tonight.
That's great. It sounds like a fun evening.
See? Everyone. That's how you can have a simple, natural conversation about feelings.
Exactly. It's not difficult. Just be honest, use simple adjectives, and keep the conversation friendly.
And here's another useful tip. Sometimes we talk about what makes us feel a certain way. For example, coffee makes me feel awake, or rainy weather makes me feel sleepy.
Oh, I like that structure. I can say, listening to music makes me feel relaxed, or talking with my friends makes me feel happy.
Yes, or watching sad movies makes me feel emotional, or studying all day makes me feel tired.
That's a great way to expand your vocabulary. You can use this structure, something plus makes me feel plus adjective.
Exactly. And you can also use it for people. You make me happy. My teacher makes me feel confident. Or my little brother makes me laugh.
Aw, that's sweet. You know, Emily, sometimes people struggle to talk about negative feelings.
That's true. But it's important to express them too. If you feel stressed, angry, or sad, it's okay to say so, just politely.
For example, I'm a bit upset. I'm feeling stressed about work, or I'm not having the best day. These are polite ways to express negative emotions.
Yes, and if someone tells you that, you can show empathy by saying, I'm sorry to hear that, or that sounds difficult, or I hope you feel better soon.
That's such an important part of communication, not just speaking, but listening and showing care.
Exactly. Talking about feelings isn't just about yourself. It's about understanding others, too. When you show empathy, your conversations become warmer and more human.
Beautifully said, Emily.
Thank you, Michael.
You're welcome. You know, there's another interesting thing. Feelings can change quickly. You might feel tired in the morning, but energetic in the afternoon.
Yes, that's true. So you can also use the phrase, I'm starting to feel. For example, I'm starting to feel better, or I'm starting to feel sleepy.
That's a great tip. It's a very natural way to describe changes in emotions.
And if you want to talk about strong feelings, you can use words like thrilled, frustrated, disappointed, scared, worried, or grateful.
Let's use them in examples. I'm thrilled because I got a promotion.
I'm frustrated because my computer isn't working.
I'm disappointed because it rained on my birthday.
I'm scared of flying.
I'm worried about my exams.
I'm grateful for my family and friends.
Those are great. Using more advanced adjectives helps you sound more fluent and expressive.
Exactly. So don't be afraid to explore new words for your emotions.
Now, before we finish, let's quickly review what we learned today.
Sure. Today, we talked about common feelings: happy, sad, tired, excited, angry, nervous, and relaxed.
We learned how to use them in real sentences, like, I'm happy because I got good news today. I'm tired because I stayed up too late last night, and I'm excited about my upcoming trip this weekend.
Plus, we practiced useful expressions like in a good mood, kind of tired, and makes me feel.
Exactly. And we also learned some new emotional words like thrilled, frustrated, disappointed, and grateful.
So, everyone, try using these expressions in your daily life. When someone asks, "How are you?" go beyond "I'm fine." Tell them how you really feel.
Yes, it makes your English sound natural, friendly, and confident.
All right, everyone, now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, how are you feeling today?
We'd love to read your answers. Try using the new words and expressions you learned in this lesson.
And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Mr. English Clips for more fun and easy English conversations every week.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, learning English should make you feel good.
Exactly. Thanks for joining us today, everyone.
Take care and see you in the next episode. Bye for now.